Hello everyone, this is Bhavana. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'll be giving a book recommendation to those who often need inspiration and motivation to keep going. वैसे तो सबके लिए who enjoys reading. The way we exercise to stay fit and healthy, our mind also needs to exercise to stay active. मानो या ना मानो आजकल की लाइफस्टाइल ने माइंड एंड बॉडी दोनों को ही इतना लेजी बना रखा है. मोर बिकॉज ऑफ दीज एंड्रॉयड फोन्स. कहीं किसी को कुछ कैलकुलेट करना हो, नंबर सेव करना हो या एनीथिंग, हम अपना माइंड यूज़ करने से पहले हेल्प सीख कर लेते हैं एंड उस समय हमारा माइंड रेस्ट मोड में चला जाता है एंड दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी डेंजरस एज दिस लीड्स टू ओवर थिंकिंग, कन्फ्यूजन्स, एंग्जाइटी इश्यूज, डेली लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स एंड दिस ऑफन लीड्स टू मेमोरी इश्यूज लाइक कभी कीज रख कर भूल गए, कोई इंपॉर्टेंट डेट याद नहीं आ रही है एंड मेनी मोर. So we need to activate our mind for a real healthy lifestyle. हर रोज ज़्यादा भी नहीं तो at least 4-5 pages of a good book can be very soothing and this habit can make a huge change that you will realize later on. A great personality suggested everyone should have a mini library of their own. In his words, learning use creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge and knowledge makes you great. Yes, we are talking about a scientist, teacher, writer and 11th President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. If you are a student and stuck somewhere, you should definitely read about him. I don't think there is any motivation which is greater than the motivation which comes by studying the life and works of Dr. Kalam. His speeches are something that inspires students and young minds to become a better version and help the nation. वैसे तो everyone is a student, everyone should learn new things, सीखने की कोई एज नहीं होती. This book, My India, Ideas for the Future, is basically a foreword by Srijanpal Singh. This is a collection of Dr. Kalam's speeches which covers a lot of revolutionary people's life. How did they become great? This book covers the work of people from different ages. So basically it has short stories and even biographies of many people around the world. Trust me, each and every story in this book is very much inspiring. If you have read it already, comment down below, and if you haven't, give it a try and don't forget to give feedbacks. That's all for today's video. I hope you find it useful. If yes, share it with your people and do like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next. Till then, bye bye.